Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Airtable scripting for automated data updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Airtable base where you want to implement scripting. Navigate to the Apps section in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on the blue Add an App button. In the App Marketplace, search for scripting. Select the scripting app from the results and click Install. Once the app is installed, a scripting environment will open. Familiarize yourself with the scripting interface. At the top, you'll see a code editor where you can enter your script. You can start by defining your variables. Use the following line to access your table. Let table equals base.getable, table name, replace table name with the actual name of your table. Next, you'll want to retrieve the records from your table. Use this line, let result equals await table.select records async. Now, you can loop through each record. Type for, let record of result.records, to begin the loop. Within the loop, you can access fields in each record. For example, to get the value of a field named field name, use let field value equals record.getCellValue, field name, replace field name with the actual name of the field you want to access. If you need to update a field, use the following structure. Set the value by modifying it as needed. Then, prepare to update the record with a command like this, await table.update record async, record.id, field name, new value. Make sure to replace field name and new value with appropriate values. After finishing your script, click the Run button at the bottom. Airtable will execute your script and display results in the output panel. Check for any errors and debug if necessary. Once satisfied, you can save your script for future use. Close the scripting app, and your setup is complete. You are now ready to automate data updates in Airtable using scripting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.